Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to show you this 2020 Heritage Glen. It is actually a big quad bunk. It's got a full nose front cap on it. It is actually a 3656 QB. It has a front bedroom slide. It has a huge bedroom in the back. I was going to say, if this side you can kind of notice it's got the slides, but let's go look down the side of this side, the entertaining side. You got the front bay here. You have a nice big front storage across here. Magnetic catches to hold it up. Big front room there for storage. It's got the leveling points all the way around, push button leveling, large awning, outdoor speakers. So this has a nice big outdoor barbecue area. I don't know if I can open it all the way, I apologize, but we can take a look. There is a sink, a pull-out grill there, and a fridge. So when you come on in, let's go up to the front of the unit and show you the front bedroom and work our way to the back. So when you come in, you go up these stairs and go to the bedroom. I'll let you go in there. It's got a nice bedroom, nice decor, nice big walk-in kind of closet almost. It's got a dresser in the room, washer dryer hookups in the front closet. Big closet, lots of room for storage. Does have an air conditioner in here as well. Dual AC. Nice bathroom with a step walk-in shower. A little bit of storage there. Your instrument panels here on the stairs on your way by. Good sized TV, a fireplace. Kitchen entertaining area here. This would be your living room, but this unit kind of just keeps going. It's actually really awesome. Check out this back bedroom on this. Large back bunk play area. You have a bunk there, storage, a bed, and another couch that also makes into a bed here. And the cool thing to this unit is this. Rear exit door and a full bathroom in the back. It's actually a dual bath unit. Kind of rare, pretty neat for what it is. This unit and anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to show you and help you out. My name is Kirk.Blair, Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Let me know if I can help you.